Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance with the genuine hope that we will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we're going to go ahead and be doing something a little different. We're looking at Webull'S review of 2020, or their aspect of it, how it went for us. And so we'll be getting into that right now. We're going to go ahead and skip the intro today. And if you haven't already, it would be awesome if you go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to be a part of the community. If you never want to miss out on any videos that I post on this channel, you can go ahead and do so by hitting that notification bell as well. But with that said, let's go ahead and get right into it. Bear with me as I go ahead and start the screen recording. Alright, let's get into it. So as you can see, we are screen recording, and here we are where it says My 2020 on Webull. See your 2020 highlights. And so let's get started. I clicked the wrong thing. So My 2020 on Webull. 2020 was a challenging year that we successfully conquered. We are so glad you've chosen Webull as your brokerage platform. And here's some of the things that have gone on in 2020. So reflections on 2020. You can read this whole journal entry that they put from the CEO of Webull if you'd like. But we're not going to go ahead and do that. We're just going to look at our own highlights. In January 2020, Webull was ringing the NASDAQ bell. In February 2020, Webull did the Webull mobile app. In March of 2020, Webull launched options trading. In May of 2020, Webull turned 2 years old. And in August of 2020, Webull partnered with NASDAQ to bring all our users level 2 advanced. In September 2020, Webull launched Webull Desktop 4.0. In November 2020, Webull launched the cryptocurrency trading with Webull Crypto. In December 2020, Webull launched the Webull tablet app. And yeah, so that's all their highlights. Now let's look at ours. I'm going to go ahead and agree to that. And so I started my journey on Webull on September 14th of 2019. I placed my first trade on January 14th of 2020, and I have checked Webull in 2020 491 times. And it says, thank you, we are so thankful for you. How do I get to the next thing? Okay. So I placed my first stock trade on January 14th of 2020. We already know that. On May 7th of 2020, I took advantage of Webull's post-market trading and ended my day at 4:03 p.m. Eastern Time. And that was the first time I traded post-market in 2020. I also added a total of 528 different securities to my watch list, and my top industry was pharmaceuticals. I received 27 free stocks in 2020, and we're going to go ahead and go through them here in a second when it starts at the beginning. So bear with me. So we had 4 free stocks that were claimed in February of 2020. We had 5 free stocks that were claimed in March 2020, and 7 free stocks in April of 2020, 6 free stocks in August of 2020, and 5 free stocks in November of 2020. And I have successfully invited a total of 9 people to join Webull's platform since in 2020. In the Webull community, I have received 1 like, and I gave out 1 like, and my first like was given out on June 2nd. I don't really participate in the Webull community aspect of things, or put like comments or posts down, so that's why it's very minimal. But in 2020, I was able to trade in a total of 88 times with 58 different stocks, and I generated a trading volume of $10,263 and ended up with a profit of $4,693. So that's absolutely phenomenal. That's about a 47% return in 2020. So I'm hoping, 2021 will be better, and they're hoping that for me as well. And then it says, we hope you enjoyed your stroll down memory lane. Want to set some financial goals and review them in 2022? Write them down below and submit into a Webull time capsule. We will release it back to you in January of 2022. My financial goals for Webull is that I would want my account to reach $25,000 and have $10,000 of it be gains. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there and submit to the Webull time capsule. That's successfully been committed. That has successfully been sent, and so we're gonna go ahead and end the screen recording right here. Thank you so much for all that watched this video. If you haven't already, make sure you go and smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well. Also, if you want to make sure you never miss out on anything I post on this channel, make sure you go ahead and click that notification bell so you never miss out. With that said, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, and God bless.